Hi students, I plan to explain about exercise number 1, that is to be switch configuration. So here what you are seeing, that is to be the Cisco Packet Tracker environment. So here we going to select two PCs, PC0 and PC1, and we are configuring a switch. We are connecting the PC0 and PC1 with the switch, and further from PC0 we are transmitting the packet to PC1. So how we going to do this task? So let's see this. So click on the network device here in the bottom of your Cisco packet tracker. You can able to see network device. Next to that you can able to see end device. So network device, if you click, we can able to see different network devices that are said to be switches, routers, okay, hubs and etc. So here we have to select only the switch. So switch, there are different types of switches, 2960 switch, PT switch, PT, MT, all these things are there. So here we need to select PT switch. So PT switch, we are having two ports, that is to be fast Ethernet 0/0 and fast Ethernet 0/1. So next to that, we have to select two end devices that are to be PC0 and PC1. If you click on the end device, we are able to see PC, laptop, server, and further devices. So here you have to select the PC. So drag and drop the PC0 as well as drag and drop the PC1. So both the PCs we have to select. So we have to give the connectivity. For giving connectivity, you can able to see the connection icon. When you click on the connection icon, we are able to get different types of connections. So wire levels are different. So here we have to select the copper straight wire. So click on the copper straight wire and select PC0. In PC0 we have to select fast Ethernet 0 port, then that has to be connected to the switch on fast Ethernet 0/1. Same case, you have to select the copper straight cable. From here PC1 fast Ethernet 0 you have to select and select on switch 0. There we have to select fast Ethernet 1/1 port. So this way we have to make the connection. So we connected PC0 with switch and PC1 with the switch. Now we have to allot the IP address for PC0. So allotting the IP address, click on the PC0, double click on the PC0, click on desktop. In the desktop, you have to click IP configuration. When you click on IP configuration, you have to give the IPv4 address. We are giving the IPv4 addresses 192.168.10.1. 10.1. Okay, subnet mask, when you click on subnet mask it will come automatically. Then the third one, we are giving the default gateway. I am giving default gateway as 192.168.10.3. This is my default gateway. Okay, so this way we have to assign the IP address on the default gateway. So default gateway for PC0 and PC1 will be common. Okay, now click on this close. Now go to this PC1, click on PC1, there click on desktop, IP configuration. So for PC1 we're going to give the IP address, that is 192.168.10.2. This is the IP address. Subnet mask will be given automatically. Then next to that, default gateway, I am just giving 192.168.10.3. So this is my default gateway. Closing this, I assigned the IP address for both PC0 and PC1, and in between switch is there. So when you click on switch, there is no IP address needed. Just click on the config. You can able to see the fast Ethernet 01 is connected with PC0. You have to check the port status should be on. The same case, fast Ethernet 1/1 we are having, that also the port status should be on. Then only the packet will be transmitted from the source to destination. Remaining cables are there, remaining ports are there, interfaces are there that we are not using. So now we are just moving to the connection environment. There we have to test with our packet. So we have to select the simple PDU. You can see the PDU icon. in the top of your Cisco Packet Tracker screen. So when you are moving your cursor on that, it will show that add simple PDU. So click on that. PDU mean by the packet. So we are putting PC0 as a source. Click on PC0 and click again on PC1. That is mean by, so PC0 to PC1 the packet will be transmitted. Then click on the simulation so that you can able to check whether the packets are transmitting properly. So click on this run button so that the packet will be transmitted from PC0 to switch and switch to the PC1. I hope you are seeing this. Then again it will be go back to PC1 to switch and switch to PC0. So this is the way the switch configuration will work. This is the exercise number 1 for our Advanced Computer Networks lab. Thank you.